Hey everybody, it's Anthony here. Many of you know I can solve Rubik's Cube in less than a minute, but there's no actual video of me doing that. So I am going to create this video now to show that. I know it's not record time, but it's pretty good. So here we go. So here's my Rubik's Cube, which has already been solved. So I've got to shuffle it first. I'm going to fast forward this bit as well. Okay, so I've I've shuffled the Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to solve it now. And you can see the timer, which will be timing as I solve it. Okay. Inspecting the cube. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. "53 seconds. I might actually do it again. You know what? I'm gonna do it again because I'm not happy with that time. I could do it much quicker than that. So gonna shuffle the cube again, and then I'll shuffle the cube again, and then I'll do it again. So fast forward time. Okay, I think that's sufficiently shuffled again. We're going to try solving the cube much quicker than I did the first time. So I'm going to clear the timer, start again at 0. Okay, 3, 2, alright, 3, 2, 1, go. That's a little bit quicker, 49 seconds this time, and completely solved. My actual record though I think is something like 42 seconds, so I know I can do it really quick, but I think just to make things complete, I think I'll do it one more time, a third time. Okay, I know I've not proved any. I've proved already that I can do it in less than a minute. I'm gonna do it one more time, just to complete it. All right. So once again, I'm gonna shuffle the cube and fast forward everything, so you don't have to watch me shuffle the cube. Okay. Fast forward. Begin. Okay, so I'm gonna have to focus now. Ooh, focus. Right. Okay. So I've shuffled the cube. I'm gonna do exactly the same as before. well, not exactly the same, hopefully quicker than before, to solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, clear the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. I'll tell you what happened there. I screwed it up. Yeah, I didn't actually solve the Rubik's Cube. I know I stopped it, and the reason why I stopped it is because I knew I wasn't going to do it in less than a minute. So that was a failure. That's what you call a failure. Okay, so we're back, and I've solved it from that little catastrophe, and now I'm going to shuffle it again to get this third time done. Right, here we go. Fast forward time. Okay, so it's shuffled again. This is the third time now I'm solving it, to show I can do it in less than a minute, and actually do it in less than 50 seconds. Okay, I'm just inspecting the cube, which I'm allowed to do according to the rules. 3, 2, 1, stop.
Crystal on the
Oh, 47 seconds that time, and I was quite lucky because I wasn't actually going to go over. I was actually going to go over the 50-second mark, but it solved. So yeah, those are the 3 solves. I'm not going to do any more before this goes terribly wrong, because this video is probably overrun already. Thank you for watching, and yeah, let me know what you think.